Equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. Here in this section, we will reduce a pair of nonlinear equation to a pair of linear equation in two variables. And after that, we will solve this pair of linear equation. We know that linear equations are in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. But here, exercise 3.6, question number 1, Roman number 1, 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y equal to 2. Equation 1, 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equals to 13 by 6. Equation 2. Here you can see that these equations are non-linear equations. These are not in the form as ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So in that case, we can't solve by using any method, that is algebraic method, means substitution, elimination or cross multiplication. So first of all, we need to change, that means we need to reduce in linear equation. So we can rewrite the equation 1 and 2 as 1 by 2 into 1 by x plus 1 by 3 into 1 by y is equals to 2. Same to same, 1 by 3 into 1 by x plus 1 by 2 into 1 by y is equals to 13 by 6. So equation 1 and 2 can be rewrite as in this way. Now you can see that here 1 by x same, 1 by y same. So for these two equations, these are same. Now let 1 by x equal to u and 1 by y equal to v and put in the equation 1 and 2 we have. So 1 by 2 u, because of 1 by x we have taken as u. So we can write in place of 1 by x, we can write u. So 1 by 2 u plus 1 by 3 v. In place of 1 by y we can write v. So equal to 2. And this implies 3u plus 2v minus 12 equal to 0. So equation number 3. And same to same, here in second equation also we can put 1 by 3 into u plus 1 by 2 into v equal to 13 by 6. And this implies 2u plus 3v minus 13 equal to 0. Now you can see this equation 3 and 4 are like linear equation, as you can see ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So 3u plus 2v minus 12 equal to 0, 2u plus 3v minus 13 equal to 0. Both are linear equations. Now we can solve this equation by any method. Now first of all, we have to check these equations are intersecting or not, or having unique solution or not. So for checking, we can see a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 because 3 by 2 is not equal to 2 by 3. So these two equations are intersecting. That means we can solve by any method. So here I am solving by using cross multiplication method. So using cross multiplication method, we obtain. So first of all, we know that we have to arrange the coefficient in this way. So first we need to take coefficient of v, then constant, then coefficient of a and coefficient of v. So 2 by 3 minus 12 by 13, 3 by 2 and 2 by 3, as here already we have studied in the previous class how to solve by using cross multiplication method. So now we know that how to apply cross multiplication method. So u, v and 1, first u. So u by, we need to take product first, 2 minus 13. So after taking product in this way, it will become minus 26. So minus 26 and minus, then we need to take the product of these two. So 3 into minus 12, so minus 36. So minus into minus 36 equal to then vy minus 12 into 2. So minus 24, it will be minus 24. It will be minus 24. So minus 12 into 2, so minus 24. Then minus 12 into 2, so minus 24. Then minus 13 into 3, so minus 39. Then it is equals to 3 into 3, so 9, minus 2 into 2, so 4. So it will become minus 26, and minus plus 36. So after subtracting, it will become 10. And here minus 24 minus plus 39. So it will after calculation it will become plus 15. Plus 15 and equal to 9 minus 4 means 5. Now we will take first and third ratio. So u by 10 equal to 1 by 5. So after calculating, it will become u equal to 2. And second and third ratio. So v by 15 equal to 1 by 5. So v is equals to 3. So this is the value of u equal to 2 and v equal to 3. Now already we have taken u equal to 1 by x and v equal to 1 by y. So we will put here. So now put u equal to 1 by x and v equal to 1 by y. We have. So 1 by x, u equal to 2. So in place of u, you can put 1 by x. So 1 by x equal to 2. Then this implies x equal to 1 by 2. Same to same, v is equals to 3. So v is equals to 1 by y. So 1 by y equal to 3. So after taking reciprocal, y equal to 1 by 3. These are the solutions of x and y.